Hey guys, quick little video on 92 tracker automatic transmission 4-wheel drive or Geo tracker or Suzuki sidekick with a 3L30 transmission. On the driver's side they have a common problem where they leak oil through the bulkhead connector. It's the electrical connector that passes into the inside of the transmission. I had a real tough time. I could not find the correct part for this vehicle, but I did find an alternative and a couple of them available. I found the connectors through Rock Auto. You can either use a 74444A or an 8444. Both of them will work. They do have more prongs inside the connector than the original one in your transmission, but they plug in perfectly fine and just utilize the wires in the same location that you require. The O-rings though did not come on the connector. You had to get them separately through Chevy, part number 100544241. Hope this helps. I had a heck of a time finding this information. Good luck.